So, Alex.
Good morning, makers. I'm Alex from the Tsimologong Makerspace here in Johannesburg, South Africa. I hope you're all safe and isolating well during this period of lockdown. I'm here at the Makerspace, and as you can see, our 3D printers are working around the clock during this pandemic. And so are many others in our 3D printing community. But today I'd like to show you how to mold and cast a COVID-19 mask or respirator. And we're going to be using household products to create the respirator filter. The purpose of this exercise is innovation through rapid prototyping, improved production by molding and casting, and inspiration to fellow makers and innovators. So let's have a look at what we've got here. What you're going to need is, first of all, the 3D printed mask, molding and casting ingredients. You will be needing elastics or bra straps. I have a filter coffee clip here. Hazelnut flavored. Polyethylene material. Now this you can get from your reusable shopping bags. Activated carbon filters. What I've got here is actually a pot scourer that I infused with activated charcoal. Here we have the finished product, casted out of silicone, nice and flexible, together with 3D printed filter covers, the filters on the inside and inside the chamber, elastics to go around the head. The overall aim is to create a robust N95 respirator that adheres to the standards. What are the standards? The mask has to seal around the face and it must be N95 compliant. I will be sending this prototype to the lab to see if it meets these standards. What you saw me doing there was testing the mask to see how well it seals, and as you could see and most likely hear, it seals perfectly well. However, it breathes a little bit difficult, and therefore my decision to optimize the ventilation. I will do a follow-up video to share the lab results and to showcase the new design. Please hit the like button if you do, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like these. So without further ado, here's the step-by-step tutorial. Stay safe and keep making.